Hello brothers and sisters, actually I was not planning to make a vlog like this today, but I guess I will be making vlog again. So we are going to Cosmo Festival at Naamai Zho, the second Jugo which we call it, right? So we will be going there and visiting. So we have started actually. So Sarangza and me, we have started. Others, they have gone ahead. We were waiting for them, but they left us again. So we will try to catch up with them and let's go and see. Let's check it out. Okay, so have fun. Let's have fun. I mean, and yeah, enjoy. Let's go and join and enjoy with me the Cosmo Festival at Naamai Zho, second Jugo Valley. So let's go and see. See you in a bit. Han kro. Oh, mafam di phache. Very nice scenery and very clear. Do phajabdu. Let's go, let's go. Check it out, guys. See, wow, what a beauty. Oh, this is Cosmos, but mostly in white color. Some purple and what is that? Yeah, all purple, white and purple. Come on, Lee. So come on, Lee. We have started seeing cosmos, lot of cosmos. We are about to reach. It is just up there. Helicopter so lap male. Naamai Zho ying ba. Helicopter mo kontai. Anything you want to add about our journey today?
Yeah.
Just speak.
The road is
bumpy.
so bad. So I request to government, concerned MLA to
see Golden Cosmos
to renovate this road.
Our buttock is getting hot.
Yeah.
Oh, we can see different colors here. Let's check it. Chơ, yellow. Oh, thanan le. Mathai ơi. Shongfu chot le.
Not much.
We have reached. We've got the ticket.
Okay.
See, entry.
We got second. We got second.
Hey, noi budi player tawe.
We got second in quiz competition.
Finally, we have reached Naamai Zho. Let's go and see the beautiful flowers. See.
Yes.
Dito away.
Science exhibition also second.
We received some good news. Our students went for competition and got position, so we are celebrating in the
Went from
very nice, very beautiful place. Many vehicles are parked there. See. Whoa, finally we are here. Oh, the vehicles. Where shall we park? Somewhere. Oh, this side also. Many. Cho, I ko ni ngi si scooty na kan dire. Ush! Ako'y professor lại he.
Ako na mizanis.
Mày mà là tourist ở bờ con, ako'y professor na mo ni hojik theng na ra kan na wari sa lai do. Yam harau le. Yeah. Lại party ama mu lại. Hotel tha sem sir de le je. Cosmo Festival side de chang. Apam tha na le. Mi jung khichat le ye. Isi party hili rasta sir hai le je. Chính nhất lầm thằng nào lẹ rồi. Ai coi sir sẽ giàu biết đấy. Guest phone này.
Coi CEO này nè.
Ado sir journey cái máy đâu ra?
Anh company đó mà nó lấy cái.
Ado ngasi ai coi cái CEO na bún bira cái ai coi sir busu. Nung ai na chali gì đấy. Project.
Stall say 500 stall cũng mà hàng dày co. Only 500. No but cái
Nungi sinapati da laka ga first project do sinatra.
First project này cái.
Yam harau re. Me am.
Sisu lay gen khali co.
Nang na to bi ba gi tamak da. Ai ko me yam la ngasi la ga harau ja bu adu ne ba. Yam thaga jare service.
Central government de kra 100 crores ko madi kra. Ding lay ri.
Wow. Is harau ba do ngai ba do.
Crores ko madi ina already moi villagers in the peak re.
Sim mamang gi lei ba sing do. Adu da di kyamuk tha bra. Hai di nang gi budget to kyamuk hapra ba.
Sida 50 crores peak re.
Oh okay.
Remaining 50 crores madi flower ko malay.
Yam harau nungai. Wakan tumuk chau na kun ja singi damak to bi ba gi damak to go yam thaga jari.
Sidi ai gi thau ni da.
Atu ni na kari thoe se pakhang gi thau na se yengo se.
Yare jo.
On ma chu ma pai khlai shan ngos. Hila khale re. And white hile re sin yellow hile re. So this is the bulber. Machu pacer de le thai. Isi mangali khra chile bam tha da mu shok rang sai ka sa chu ba on sir hai re chi. Thanat le.
Yellow one too much.
Yeah.
No, this is not a real cosmos.
Ji isi party ji ni manna in sir.
Finally we are Naamai Zho.
We are finally here. It's becoming more and more beautiful, colorful. Too hot, but the weather is very nice. Muyam thana very beautiful in the camera, the clouds. Chị yam ngai lấy gì lấy những cái lạc bra tây lạc bra khăng đây mất tha sai này chị nhìn cái woo, the view is amazing, yeah.
Not me. I'm not there.
No, you're here. How's the view? How's your experience?
The best.
Wow,
It's nice.
the view is amazing.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's worth visiting. Hello, we are finally here at Naamai Zho. We are checking out the cosmos. So how do you want to explain the beauty of this amazing Naamai Zho, second Chuko Valley?
So in simple words, beautiful.
Wow, what a word! Yeah, indeed, it is very nice, very nice. And last time when we visited, there were some few flowers started blooming, but today, see, as you can see at the background, it's completely
Almost one color.
almost completely blooming.
Most of them are one color. So that's the sad part.
No, it is beautiful. It is nice. See, some of them are here at the back side and here as well. Guys, we are still checking out the photo. I mean the flowers. No,
Not the photo.
not the photo. Come on. See, the sun is about to set, and this is the right time to click the photos.
Sunset. You can
Yeah.
You focus on the sun. Focus on the sun.
See, this is the front wala, not back.
Back.
Yeah, but this is very nice, right?
You can check in my channel the back one. It's very
Yeah. Sure thing.
nice. See. Or if not you saw.
Wow.
If not you saw. By now itself. You
How
can
is
see. Did you
Can
see?
see or not?
The back one.
Sunset is very nice.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. We gonna click some photos. Checking out some more places, more profound, in a more profound way. It is very good. Okay, let us check out the. Here it is, guys. Second Juko Valley. See, the sun is setting. It's very beautiful. My photographer. Hey! Come on, guys. See. My photographer.
Yeah.
Uh,
I'll show you.
see the sunset. Sunset to yam baje. Yam. Hojik si photo lowraga akhoi lens to yam. Kino thrak ta baga to gi khara ten ba ma change to sen chatli. Too long.
Yeah, see. No, hold on.
Wow. Very nice. Wow. This is all Naamai Zho hili karik chung kham nei festival sat akhman la sa ki ne akhma concert lei je, but I don't think we will able to come and see the concert again tomorrow. So all the hotels and the restaurant, but the most flowers are this side. Ekhoina ngasai yeng bu ko.
Got the living moon.
So we will go to the vehicle and we will change the lens and come back again to take some more photos. So volleyball match is going on. 3-3 challenge. Wow. Very nice. Chị ăn một cặp tao thấy chứ. Very beautiful.
ai tới sạch chính mà khở tăng rồi ban tí khóc mà khở
Say do ban nang na thế chứ nang ban long.
Dạ, ni khởi là bắt cái đã đi rồi.
Nang ban sao say do ban nang ma phô.
ok
Woo.
Ban long is
Very nice.
Okay. Does it? Yeah, does it? Huh? Does it? Like this. Yeah. Okay. You want like this? Or do like that? Like this? It's dark, no? Like this. Okay. It's dark. Okay. Okay. Yeah, yes. Nice. That one's okay.
Hello guys, so it is worth visiting, and I don't know, it is so beautiful. Okay, see the background and the flowers all around me. This is so amazing. I think you should also visit. See, oh my god, how beautiful it is. Check it out. Jeez, I guess we will be moving back now, so let's go back. Guys, finally we will be going back, so it is worth visiting, right? What do you think?
Yeah.
It is worth visiting. It is so beautiful.
It was.
So those who are staying around here, like in Senabri area, I think you can easily access to this Naamai Zho. It is beautiful.
But you can come before the sunset.
Yeah,
That's the best time to get a beautiful photo.
not be, when it is about
Yeah.
about to be sunset. Yeah, setting.
So
very
you can
beautiful.
come early, have lunch,
Yeah.
and then take a good photo during the time of sunset.
It is amazing. It is amazing. And when we look up into the sky, now we can see the moon as well.
Yeah.
The moon is coming out. So, all right, we'll try. Not try. We are going back.
We're going
We'll
back.
move back. Yeah.
Idle march.
Okay, so see, I go guide ni se. Sir Justin. Tung kasi ay ka photo yam kap ni na ban na pita.
Giật ra kìa.
Này bên này có cái gì upload tổ gần đó khăng rồi nè. So ai coi chặt ngay thầu răng tổ là lấy đấy. Sang trái xe. So check out all the vehicles just to come and see the cosmos out here. It's so beautiful and worth visiting. Chal xin nào có sợ chứ? Ngoài đây nào có?
Ngoài đấy.
Okay. So, mình đi cari miam lại.
Thì bạn được pha lại.
Ai coi như sự chặt cái đầu đấy. See. Wow. Yeah. Let's go. Bye bye. Naamai Zho. We are going back home. So everyone, thank you so much for watching the video and for all the love and support. So let's go home and see you again in the next video. So we are going home. Bye bye. Guys, we have reached home. Let's go back to my room. Good night, everyone. See you again. Bye bye.